Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Sic ait, et dicto citius tumida aequore placet, collectasque fugat nube solemque reducet, que motoe simul et triton ad nixus acuto, detrudunt naves scopulo levat ipse tridenti, et vastas apere cirtes et temperata cor, atque rotus sum mas levibus per labetur undas. Thus he spoke, and, more swiftly than the thing having been said, he placates the swollen seas, and he forces the clouds, nubes, the clouds having been collected, into flight, or he forces the clouds having been collected to flee, and he leads back the sun. Cymithoi and Triton, at the same time having made an effort, push off the ships from the sharp cliff. The man himself, the god himself, the very man, this ipse here is referring to Neptune, he himself lifts with his trident, and he reveals vast sandbanks, or reefs is better here. He opens up vast reefs, and he tempers the sea, and he glides through the highest waves on light wheels. So this entire passage is talking about Neptune calming the storm that Aeolus caused. Neptune is now putting an end to it and calming it, and he's doing it very swiftly. He placates, he calms down the swollen waters, the storm clouds, and he brings back the sun. And this Cymithoi and Triton are kind of like Neptune's entourage. They're little helpers who are there with him, related to the sea. And this simul ad nixus go together, simul means like at the same time. So it's like both these people at the same time having made an effort. They push off the ships from the sharp rock. Remember, Aeolus had taken some of the ships, or the winds had taken some of the ships by the orders of Aeolus, and cast them onto sharp rocks. And he himself, Neptune, lifts with his trident, and he opens up vast whirlpools, and he calms down the sea, and he glides through the highest waves with light wheels.